Hello children, welcome again for the new session of maths. Up till now you have already learned types of triangle on the basis of their sides and also on the basis of their angles, and medians of the triangle, altitude of the triangle and exterior angles. Okay, today we will learn more about exterior angles. Okay. Children, in the previous video I already told you I will show one example about the exterior angle. That means measure of the exterior angle of a triangle, that is equal to sum of the measures of the interior opposite angles. Okay children, today I will show you one example about that. Okay, I will read the question. And at the same time you have to see the diagram on the screen. I have given that diagram also. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree. When I am reading the question, you have a look on the diagram. The exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree. That means the outside angle you can see that 70 degree written, and one of its interior opposite angle is of 25 degree. See the inside angle, one angle it is given down, that is given 25 degree. So what we have to find out? Find the measure of the other interior opposite angles. Children, question, are you understood? Okay. Our exterior angle, measure of exterior angle given 70 degree, and one of the interior opposite angle also given 25. So we have to find out other interior opposite angles. Okay, let us see how it is. So let the measure of the other interior opposite angle is x. So let it be x, the other interior opposite angle. So the rule it is like that, measure of the exterior angle of the triangle, that is equal to sum of the measures of the interior opposite angles. Okay children, outside angle, exterior angle, that is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. But here one angle only given, the other angle we are giving the name x. So we have to find the measure of x. For that, first of all, 70 degree, that is exterior angle, equal to sum of the measures of interior opposite angle 25 degree plus x. Out of this statement, from this statement we can find out the measure of x. How? X is equal to 70 degree, that means the measure of exterior angle minus the measure of given one of the interior opposite angle, that is 25 degree. Understood children? Clear it is? Okay. X is equal to 70 exterior angle minus one of the given interior opposite angle, that means 25 degree, then we will get 45 degree. So the value of x, the other interior opposite angle, is 45 degree. So listen children, you can check the answer it is correct or not, because 70 is equal to the interior opposite angles. So 25 plus 45, you will get it 70 or not. You can see that way also, you can check your answer. Yes, of course it is getting 45 plus 25, that is equal to 70. So your answer is correct. So the measure of the other interior opposite angle is 45. That is the answer we got it now. I hope children you understood how to find out this. It is very simple. The exterior angle it is given, that exterior angle minus directly one of the interior opposite angle. Okay, that way we can find out the other interior opposite angle. I hope all of you are clear this. Okay children, now let's start exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Listen children, I have given the diagram on the screen. Please have a look on the diagram, then only you will understand. And first diagram you can see that here we have to find out the value of the exterior angle. Two interior opposite angles are given. By using this value, we have to find out the measure of exterior angle. Okay, solution let us see. using the exterior angle property of a triangle. That only up till now we have learned that the exterior angle property of a triangle. What is that? The measure of exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measure of interior opposite angle. That is the exterior angle property of a triangle. By using this, we have to find out the value of x. Okay. First one. Look at the diagram, all of you. Have you seen? See properly? Okay. So, which angles are given in the first diagram? Yes. Interior opposite angles are given. One angle 50 degree given, another angle 70 degree given. By using this 50 and 70, we have to find out the value of x is an exterior angle. Okay, children. So, we have to use the property of the exterior angle, property of the triangle. Nothing is there because the sum of the interior opposite angle measure, that is equal to the exterior angle. That means angle x equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. This interior opposite angle, if we are adding, we will get one number, that degree, the same only coming as an answer of exterior angle. 50 plus 70 will get 120. So, this 120 degree is the measure of exterior angle x. Okay. Now, second question. What is that? Look at the diagram properly. One angle 65, another angle 45, and x is an exterior angle. Okay, children. So, this exterior angle, we have to find out the measure of x. For that, the interior opposite angles are given 65 and 45. Let us add 65 and 45. 65 plus 45, we will get 110 degree. Listen, children, that is the answer of exterior angle x. So, answer angle x equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree, that is equal to 110 degree. Okay, now I hope you are understood how to find out the exterior angle. That is the exterior angle, the measure of exterior angle, that is equal to sum of the measure of interior opposite angle. You have to plus the interior opposite angle, what value you are getting, that the same value only the measure of exterior angle. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this one. Let us continue the same type of question. Question number 3. You see the diagram. One angle 30 degree, another angle 40 degree, and our exterior angle, that is given x. Have you seen properly? Okay, outside angle, that is a x, that is an exterior angle. I told you the we have to use the rule, the law of exterior angle property of a triangle. By using that, 30 degree plus 40 degree, we will get 70 degree. This 70 is the measure of angle x. Okay, children? Okay. Now, question number 4. Look at the diagram. And there also, interior opposite angle, both are given 60 degree and 60 degree. And see the x, that is exterior angle. The x is equal to 60 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. And this 120 degree is the measure of x. Okay. Just move on to the question number 5. Here also, interior opposite angles are given. Both are same angles, 50 degree and 50 degree. So, angle x, exterior angle, equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree, that is equal to 100 degree. That is the value of x. Now, the last question diagram also I have shown down. Just have a look. One angle, that is 30, another angle is 60. Both are interior opposite angle of x. Here also we have to find out the value of x is an exterior angle, that is equal to sum of the measure of interior opposite angles 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, children, this way we have to find out the value of exterior angle by using exterior angle property of triangle. Listen, I hope all of you have understood the simple method it is. Exterior angle, that is equal to the measure of exterior angle, that is equal to sum of the measure of interior opposite angles. Okay children? Okay, now let's move on to the question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Children, now don't make confused. Up till now in question number 1, we were finding out the value of exterior angle. But now we have to find out the value of the unknown interior angle x. One interior angle is missing, that we have to find out. Solution: x is the measure of one of the interior opposite angle. Actually, two interior opposite angles are there, but here only one angle is given and another angle we have given the name x. So we have to find out the value of x by using exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, how it is? Equation: x is equal to measure of the exterior angle minus measure of the other interior opposite angle. So here x, value of x we can find out. The one formula is there. Exterior angle that is given in the question, that is minus one of the interior opposite angle. Exterior angle given and one of the interior opposite angle also given. So we have to do the answer this way: exterior angle minus one of the interior opposite angle. Then we'll get the value of x. Okay, let us see the question number 1. Measure of the unknown interior angle x. In the first diagram, children, all of you have a look on the screen and just see that what is exterior angle value. Exterior angle measure, it is given 115 degree. Okay, and one of the interior opposite angle, that is given 50 degree. So we can find out the answer this way: 115 degree minus 50 degree, you will get 65 degree. So this 65 degree is the measure of other interior opposite angle. Understood children? Okay, let us see the second one. Measure of the unknown interior angle x is equal to, and all of you look at the diagram. What is the measure of exterior angle? All of you seen? Okay, 100 degree. And what is the one opposite interior angle given? 70. Can you find out the other angle by using the property of exterior angle, property of triangle? Yes, of course. So what is the answer? Here we can find out 100 degree minus 70 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. 100 degree is the measure of exterior angle minus, what is that, 70 degree, the measure of the other interior opposite angle. Then we'll get 30 degree, that is the other interior opposite angle. Children, I hope all of you have understood how to find out the exterior angle of the triangle by using the property of exterior angle property of triangle. In the same way, the second question, how to find out one of the interior opposite angle. That also same property using. Once again I will explain that. Exterior angle, if you want to find out the exterior angle, that is equal to, the measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of the measure of interior opposite angles. And here we have to find out one of the interior opposite angle. For that, exterior, measure of exterior angle minus the given one of the interior opposite angles. So this way we can find out both the type of answers. I hope up till now question number 1 and question number 2 all of you have understood. Okay, let us continue the question number 2 in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning all of you. Please write down all the answers in your maths notebook and learn properly. Okay, thank you, bye.